You don't become fluent by studying English. You become fluent by living it. Speak daily, even with mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. Fluency starts with courage. Don't translate. Think simple. Short sentences are powerful. Welcome to Learn English through Science Channel. Let's practice useful phrases. Repeat after me. Want to become fluent in English? Stop studying it. Start using it. Want fluent English? Build habits, not excuses. Grammar first? No. Speaking first. Afraid of mistakes? That's how fluency starts. Study more? Use English more. Translate in your head? Think simple. Speak fast. Short sentences okay? That's real English. Perfect accent. Clear meaning matters. 10 minutes enough? Every day wins. Silent learner? Speak out loud. Confidence low? Speak anyway. B1 feels stuck. That's normal. Keep going. Fluency slow? Depth takes time. Forget words? Paraphrase. Don't stop. Grammar panic? Focus on meaning. Native speed scary? Control your pace. Sound natural? Learn phrases, not rules. Too many rules. Too little speaking. Thinking in English? That's progress. B2 goal? Flow, not perfection. Speaking better now because you practice. Fluency is fast? No, it's controlled. Fill silence? Pause with confidence. Strong opinions? Express them clearly. Sound smarter? Think clearer. Actually, C1 feels different because it is. Words feel lighter. Thought feels stronger. Less talking now. More meaning. Fluency loud? No. It's calm. Mistakes still happen. They don't control you. English feels natural. You own it now. Let's explore scene 32 together, focusing on how science can enhance our English learning. Yeah, language is power. Used wisely. Show off English or connect. C1 secret? Awareness. Awareness. Fluency means what? Thinking freely. English still learning? Always evolving. If this conversation stayed with you, means your English is already changing. Don't just watch. Join this journey. And subscribe and grow from all the way to C2. Like this video if you come and understand. This is not just English. This is how fluency begins. Speak less. Say more. Final tip? Live in English. Ready for fluency? Start today. One rule only. Use English daily. Motivation gone? Discipline stays. Busy life. Short practice works. Still shy. Still growing. Afraid to sound bad. Speak to improve. Final advice? Don't wait. Fluent future? Built daily. English journey long. Worth it. Ready to commit? Then speak. Like this series? Subscribe and comment Fluent. Fluency now feels quiet. That's mastery. I speak less, but say more. Words feel precise. Thought leads them. I pause naturally. Silence works. I choose words carefully. That's power. Fluency isn't speed. It's control. I choose words carefully. That's power. Fluency isn't speed. It's control. Meaning comes first, always. I feel confident now. Calm confidence. English feels internal, not foreign. I manage complexity. Without panic, I clarify gently, not defensively. I respect listeners. That's C1. Language feels lighter. Thought feels deeper. I hear what's unsaid and respond wisely. Fluency changed me. It changed how you think. I don't over-explain. You trust clarity. Words feel intentional, not automatic. I speak with purpose, not pressure. C2 feels different, because it is. Language is invisible now. Meaning remains. I question my words, before others do. I accept ambiguity, comfortably. Fluency feels ethical. Responsible speech. I don't dominate talk. I elevate it. English serves thought, not ego. I adjust style fast, instinctively. Language feels aligned with values. This is control, not perfection. I communicate presence, not noise. Words earn space, every time. I choose clarity over complexity, or complexity when clarity needs it. I own my voice, fully. Fluency is awareness in language, and in thought, and in self. I speak when ready, not rushed. English feels natural, because it is. This is mastery, quiet mastery. I think clearly now. In English, language reflects me, honestly. I guide conversation with respect. I simplify wisely, not shallowly. Fluency matured. You did. This wasn't talent. It was practice. Daily effort, conscious use. English is mine. You earned it. Final thought? Fluency is identity. Want this level? Like, subscribe, comment C2. Fluency feels silent. Silence is clarity. I speak less now, because you understand more. Words feel heavy, because meaning matters. I pause before speaking. Thought arrives first. Language slowed me down, and sharpened you. I don't chase expression. You wait for truth. Fluency feels ethical. Responsibility in speech. I hear intent now, beyond words. I choose silence sometimes. That's mastery. Language stopped performing. It started revealing. I sense contradiction and hold it calmly. Certainty feels dangerous. Curiosity feels safe. I no longer oversimplify. Complexity deserves respect. Fluency feels internal, like thought itself. English feels transparent. Meaning remains visible. I speak from alignment, not urgency. Ego left my language. Clarity stayed. Words became precise, because thinking matured. I listen differently now, with intention. Conversation feels sacred, shared meaning. I don't dominate dialogue. You invite it. Language slowed my reactions and deepened responses. I questioned my words before trusting them. Fluency is restraint, controlled power. I speak when ready, not when emotional. Language reveals values, always. I respect context deeply. Meaning depends on it. English stopped being foreign. It became a lens. I think through language, and beyond it. Fluency feels calm. Calm feels strong. I don't rush clarity. I allow nuance. Language no longer hides me. It reflects you. I accept misunderstanding and clarify gently. Precision replaced volume. Depth replaced noise. Words earned their place. Every time. I speak to connect, not to impress. Fluency reshaped my mind. That was the goal. English feels conscious. So do you. I notice language now, and its impact. Speech became intentional, thoughtful. I don't fear silence. Silence speaks. Language feels honest when ego is gone. I simplified wisely, not shallowly. Fluency feels invisible, yet powerful. Language became a mirror for thought. and for self. Exactly. This is not speed. This is presence. This is not perfection. This is mastery. Ready for this level? Like, subscribe, comment, Elite C2.